Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Saturday morning, so we're going to do another painting this morning. Just a heads up, Storm Amy blew in off the Atlantic yesterday, bringing with it gale force winds and very heavy rains. Now, I live further south to where it was worse hit, but the storm's not quite over yet, so if you hear heavy rains or if the caravan starts to move because of the wind, it's because of Storm Amy. Nothing I can do about that. As I've said before, I'm in a caravan, so it's not like the most stable thing in the world, especially in heavy winds. So if you see the camera moving, I'm sorry, but it's Storm Amy coming in to say hi. So yeah, let's go and create a beautiful painting together. Come and join me. Okay, so today I am going to be painting on this little hexagon canvas on my spinner, and I'm going to be using this. Now, I can't remember if I bought this off Temu or off Amazon, I'm not sure, but these things, you put them over your plug holes in your sink, I suppose, and it catches the food. So it's a little strainer, a plug strainer, but we're going to be pouring into this. It doesn't stand, I'll have to hold it because it's got a bump there at the bottom, so I suppose I'll have to hold it. But we're going to pour into this, and I don't know if they call it a strainer pour, or I think it's a Koleidoscope pour, because the paint then goes through these holes. Anyway, we're going to try that one. And then I just want to show you, remember this painting, and I told you that the paint all turned to rubber. Well, I did manage to peel it all off. There it is, one piece of rubber, and I've got a clean canvas again, so I can reuse this. I'll probably paint over that tomorrow, but yeah, it all came off in one big piece. It's the weirdest thing. It's very strong. Anyway, so let us get started. I am going to just put my gloves on, and I've got the heater on in the background, so if you hear a noise, it's the heater. It's a little bit chilly in the caravan this morning. So put my gloves on and then we'll get started. But I think because I've got to hold this, I'm going to open my paints up because I'm not going to have hands available. So just open the lids up. Okay. Alright, can you see? Of course the sun is just there again, making shadows over everything, but I think you can see. Right, so I'm just going to hold it like that in the middle, and now we're just going to pour paint into it. And I've just got a mixture of colors. Pardon me. I don't even know if, yeah, it is coming at the bottom. The paint is quite thick, so It's not just running out, but it is coming out. Come on. Got to mix paints today, it would seem. Some of this one. So there's some metallics in here. I think 2 metallics. There's a metallic green and a copper. Okay, let's just give this some chance to run out, I guess. It's going very slowly. Okay, I'm going to try and lift this now, I guess. Okay, right. That's that's quite interesting. Look at that. So I'm going to, oh my goodness, this thing. I'm going to hit this with a heat gun because there's a couple bubbles in it. And let's spin it out and see what we get. Let me just move these bottles out the way. Okay, well, that's not bad. I do like the colors. Just go around now and make sure all your sides are covered, which mine are. And I'm going to hit it once more with a heat gun. That there's a lot of metallics in it. I can see the shimmer of the metallic, so when this is dry I think it's going to be very nice and shiny. Yeah, I actually do like that. Okay, so I'm going to take this off my spinner and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So here it is. I'm going to bring you in now. Some really pretty colors in it. Very bright, very colorful. Now I don't know if you can see the metallic, but you will see that when it's dry. I will of course show it to you. I think like the metallics shines up as tiny little dots. I think you can see it there and maybe there, but anyway I will show it to you when it's dry. But some lovely coloring in it, cute little cells that have popped up there. I think it's very pretty. I think it's very bright and colorful. And it's quite different, isn't it? So there we go, everybody. Thank you very much for joining us on this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will be back tomorrow morning for another painting, so be sure to join us for that one. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It doesn't cost anything. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell, which is the little bell next to the subscribe button. And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.